Vita meat. Got the boy Axel. Ozzy. This is right here, track.
It's a Harley intake. It's on stock wheels too?
Yeah, he pulled in like right in front.
I don't know why he's on stock wheels. Probably good.
Alright, let's start unbolting shit.
Huh?
Let's start unbolting shit so you can put it on yours.
For real.
That's a big ass NA build right there. Excuse me, sir, I don't want to be on video. I want to be on video, sir, please. You gotta pay for that. I have an OnlyFans.
We gotta cancel this guy.
Like walk through it.
I don't give a fuck. I got phone number.
Nah, I'm saying you could walk through it.
Oh yeah.
I got 4 switches on me. I don't give a fuck. I'm itching, man.
We got a young crash out right here.
Crash out.
I'm not affiliated with him.
I got a bazooka with a binary switch on that bitch, man.
Bazooka.
Saying too much, man. You got it in the feds. Tracking and shit. Very quick. Boy, stunting.
Stop. Ain't here, right? He can barely get out. What's it to do?
Where my supercharger at, man?
Yeah, man, what's up?
Where my turbocharger at?
Yeah.
Don't steal that shit. accent right here. You got that drag pack.
Stick shift car though. It's different.
Yeah. Bro got a whole fucking
I wonder how many times he's replaced it.
Yeah.
carbon fiber front end. It's crazy.
It's probably like a state.
Whatever happens to your
Miata, you want turbo Miata? This is what it should look like. Nothing too flashy, simple, clean. This thing rips. It absolutely fucks.
Bro, speaking
I think
of
it'll
facts.
scoot on most of the shit in this lot. That thing will fly. I agree. That little turbo Miata. I whipped the shit out of that.
Just in this bitch. Crazy.
I seen one. I ain't seen some girls, but I seen like,
Kicked out a little bit.
yeah,
This one?
not this one, but it was a rare one. That shit was slotted though.
Me neither. He was driving from Mall.
Yeah, backed up.
I know 5'6".
shit 20